Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open Binance in your browser or install the app and create a Binance account with email. Set up a strong password and enable Authenticator 2FA for security. Verify your identity if you plan to use full features. Upload ID and complete KYC steps where required. Keep recovery details safe and avoid using public Wi-Fi when logging in. Add basic profile info and link a payment method only when you plan to fund a live account later. From the main menu, choose Trade then Demo or Paper Trading, or visit the Binance Futures Testnet site and select Testnet mode. Switch to Binance Testnet or Paper Trading mode and request demo funds via the faucet, commonly 100,000 USD credited for practice. If you use third-party software, generate Testnet API keys and limit permissions to read and trade only. Confirm you are on the test network before executing orders. To avoid, use the demo account to rehearse setups and risk controls. Treat demo P&L as practice, not guaranteed live results. Test entries, exits, stop-loss placement, and how fees and slippage affect performance. Simulate multiple market scenarios and timeframes. When ready, plan a small live start and start with position sizes under 1% of your live capital while keeping strict risk rules. Transfer lessons slowly, review trades weekly, and only scale up as consistent profitability and emotional control appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.